Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a very important topic because it in the class 11th. First, you have to know what is your subject name. Your subject name is accountancy, but we know we have to write only accounts. My dear student, accountancy is broader sense, but you have to study today difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Bookkeeping is the primary stage of accountancy. After completing the bookkeeping, we have to start accounting. When accounting is completed, accountancy start. You can say that accountancy is a broader sense, but bookkeeping and accounting is narrow. Let's comes to see what are the differences between accounting, bookkeeping and accountancy. My dear student, the first difference that bookkeeping is primary book. Why I am telling this the primary book? Because in this bookkeeping, it is a primary book because all the transactions are recorded first in this book. Okay, recording of the first transaction in this primary book, and after that classifying. Okay, and after that it's summarized. So the bookkeeping is the beginner of accountancy. So anybody can do this bookkeeping work. Now come to the accounting. In accounting, it is a secondary. Why I am telling? Because bookkeeping is primary, it is a secondary stage. Why? In this stage, there is also recording, classifying and summarizing. Why? Because in this stage, we are going to find out the profit and loss of the organization. So we prepare profit and loss account, okay, and balance sheet. It is a primary balance sheet, okay. So it is a secondary stage. So who is the secondary stage? Accounting is the secondary stage and bookkeeping is the primary stage. After completion of bookkeeping and accounting, accountancy helps. In this accountancy, we use different types of theory and principle and concept for interpretation. What is the meaning of interpretation, my dear student? Interpretation means what account, profit and loss and balance sheet prepared. So it required a skilled person, okay, who interpret this thing. Accountant is going to interpret this all the things to manager and any owners who provide all the information on the basis of this theory and principle and concept. So accountancy is what? Accountancy in the broader sense. So you have to see here the diagram. Book keeping, accounting, okay, and this is called accountancy, okay. So accounting and bookkeeping comes under the accountancy. Now, so what is the role of accountancy, my dear student? The role of accountancy is provide all the theories, principle as well as concept which we have to need for taking the decision. Which type of decision? Financial decision. All types of financial decision are going to take with the help of the accountancy subject. So my dear student, in your exam always ask what is the difference between accounting, bookkeeping and accountancy. So very clear, you have to remember 3 to 4 points and you write down. If anybody asks you only write two differences between accounting and bookkeeping, you can also write down primary stage, secondary stage and recording, summarizing, classification, etc. But accountancy, whenever you have to, anybody asks you which subject you are studying, you just say accountancy, don't say account. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.